Don't y'all hate people with loud cars or loud vehicles? Yeah, me too, right? Squad, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. For all my new viewers, appreciate you tuning into the video. Appreciate you clicking on this. Make sure to leave a comment and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. That would definitely help me out a lot. And like the video. Please do that. Please, ma'am, and please, sir. For all my return viewers, you already know what to do, man. Go ahead and like and comment the video as you always done. And I ain't gonna hold you too long. Let's get into it. So you see the title, see the thumbnail. No clickbait or cap on this channel, cause man, why lie? So we are going to install my new catch can from Speedlogix. Yes, I should have got one a long time ago. Never had one on the car, but we're gonna get one now. Before we do that, we gotta make some space in the garage. I can't get to my hood, my engine from like that. So hit it with this cold start and let's get to it. So we got the car pulled out, got the hood open, so we all good to go a little bit. So this is what we got. This is the new part. I got this, let me pull it out here. So here we go. Got this oil catch can from Speedlogix. They had a really good sale on these things. They was pretty much giving these things away. I was just sitting there checking my email, and Speedlogix sent the email like, yo, we're giving away catch cans. I'm like, I need one. And bam, got this catch can under $100. I'll drop the link below. Granted, the sale was probably gone now, but I got it on a really good deal. And plus, I didn't have one and I needed one. So here we are. You can get them different colors as well. I just got the regular color, the silver color for now. We can get this changed to a different color later if I choose to, but we'll just rock with this for now. And for those of you that may not know what a catch can is for, this is to catch the oil vapors out of your intake manifold here. Let me show you what we got going on. So pretty much, if you can see here, you got this little thing here which the catch can pretty much will go in between. As your car is running, some oil vapors will get into your intake manifold here. This catch can is designed to pull that out and catch the oil in here rather than it going in here. Over time, you have oil build up inside your intake manifold. It's supposed to help your engine and the longevity of it. One thing I'm not sure of this, I'm interested to see how this will happen. If there's like a horsepower loss over time, without having an oil catch can. And I'll be very interested to see if there's like a comparison of a car with the catch can and a car without a catch can over time to see how that happens. But I haven't seen it, but here we are, we got this. We're gonna get this installed. So pretty much we got two hoses. Get these out. We got these two hoses here, which are gonna pretty much replace here and here. This catch can should mount right here, and that should be straightforward, but every time I say something straightforward, it's not straightforward. So we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna show you the installation process, and yeah, that's gonna be it. And just so you know, this seems like a pretty good quality here, and that sound you hear is a little bolt that's down here I gotta take out. Next, let me show y'all that real quick. You can see here, screwed it off. That's the oil catch can, that's the bolt that was in there. This pretty much should screw right here. So it's gonna mount right there, and that should be straightforward and easy to do. And yeah, let's get to it. So the first thing we do to get this thing installed, we're gonna get this bracket right here off. Since I have an aftermarket air intake, this bracket is no longer used. Up at the factory one, there's like a little resonator or something that sits right here on this particular bracket, but I no longer have that. So this bracket comes off, so we can take this catch can and get it put onto this bolt. So let's get this thing off. All right, so first thing we did, we went ahead and got the catch can mounted right here. One thing is kind of a pain with it mounted right here. In order to screw it off, it's way down here and it's really hard to get to. Also, you're not going to be screwing this thing off unless the engine is completely cold and whatnot. So you can scratch that out from where it is. Definitely considering maybe getting a different bracket for this just because of the fact of the location. I feel like if it was here, right in this location, have more room to work with it in or something like that. But right here, it's not a lot of room at all. So I feel like I'm pretty much got to uninstall this to get to it, to unscrew it. So that's one thing I'm noticing right now. So the next part, we're gonna get the hoses ran. Pretty much I got to run a hose here. Well, I'm pointing, got to run a hose from here to here, and another one from there to here. And that should pretty much wrap it up. I think these hoses are gonna be kind of a pain to get off, but we're gonna work with it, we're gonna get it taken care of, so let's get to it. All right guys, we got the catch can installed. As you can see here, mounted right here against the block. One thing I don't like is the fact that it's kind of hard to get to it and unscrew that. So I'm thinking I'm definitely want to get a bracket for this to make it a little bit easier for me to get to and unscrew it if I want to. Got the hoses mounted. The hoses are kind of long. They're two different lengths. So you have a long one here and a short one here. I'm definitely thinking about trimming these to make it shorter. Only reason I'm gonna hold off on that is if I get the bracket, then I might need that length. So I want to do. Don't y'all hate people with loud cars or loud vehicles? Yeah, me too, right? But anyway, the hoses are a little long. They come in different lengths. Like this is the long one. That one went into, of course, back to the back here if you can see it. And I had the short one that goes here. Definitely, I'm planning on, I'm probably gonna, like I said, cut it to make it shorter, much cleaner look. But I wanna wait till I get at least this bracket here so I can relocate this somewhere so I can actually get to it and unscrew it without having to get down here yet. Cause you can tell there's no room. It's hard to see. Hard to see down there, but there's like no room for me to get to the bottom of this. Like the air takes in the way. I can't really get to the unscrew it. So that's gonna make it really difficult. So very, very, very short video. Just wanted to show you the new catch can and install process a little bit, but not really. I didn't show you much of it. I just kind of walked you through it, but those are a couple things to look out for with this. If you do got questions that I didn't cover in the video, feel free to drop a comment below. I would definitely get back to you. As always, thank you for tuning in. We are out. Cut it.